Did you know? The Royal Albatross is a true master of the skies. This incredible bird can spend over a year flying over the ocean without ever touching land. Using powerful wings that span up to 10 feet, 3 meters, it glides effortlessly, covering thousands of miles with barely a flap. By riding ocean winds, the Albatross saves energy and stays airborne for month 7, sleeping while flying. Want more eye-opening facts? Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for instant updates. This is Fact in Frame, where knowledge meets curiosity.